corrosion here is worse than anticipated. I'm taking a scraping for analysis.
Noted. The depth gauge shows significant loss of material.
Sonar indicates significant hull breach near the sail.
Confirming visual on the 593 marking. The corrosion is extensive.
The ice here has acted as a perfect time capsule. As you can see, the USS Thresher, hull number...
We have contact on the hull. Acknowledged. Start the measurement sequence now.
Rig 1 engaged. Power level stable.
Beginning hull integrity scan on panel 593. Minor fractures detected.
Watch that splice point, angle it slightly higher.
Got it. Feels stable now.
Good. Let's log it and move to the next section.
forward lines. We are going for tension in 3, 2, 1.
All anchors holding steady. Control. Proceed with the lift sequence.
Bring it down 20 centimeters. Watch the starboard side.
Holding steady. Crane adjusting now.
Pin is ready.
The gauge is reading 40,000 psi.
Confirmed. Keep watching the starboard line closely.
Increase pressure on the forward jack by 500 psi.
Copy that. Increasing pressure now. That last slide exposed significant corrosion.
We need to reassess the structural integrity of the sail.
Look at the state of this seam. The corrosion is extensive.
And the frost is hiding even more, Chief.
The weight distribution on this section looks acceptable, but the corrosion is severe.
The laser scan confirms thinning here, Commander.
Secure that forward chain binder. It's tight, boss. Okay, slow creep forward.
Control to Transporter 1, hold position.
Affirmative, holding.
Check the stern clearance, we're tight on the left.
The degradation on these bolts is critical.
The readings confirm severe internal corrosion, and the frost damage is extensive.
The infrared scan shows the starboard plating is compromised here.
We're getting a strong heat signature through the ice buildup.
Look at the extent of the damage on the dome. That's more severe than anticipated.
I'm recording the data now. The internal structure shows major freezing.
If we reinforce this section first, it stabilizes the entire structure.
Agreed. Let's move forward with the revised schedule.
The strain rate on segment 4 is increasing rapidly.
I see it. Cross-reference with the temperature gradient.
Bring it down easy, slow and steady now.
Copy that. Watching the alignment on the starboard side.
Looks good from here, lock it down.
The ice expansion caused significant stress fractures here. We'll need to double plate this section.
The current scans confirm the extent of the corrosion.
The plating matches the 61 schematics, but the corrosion near the ballast tanks needs monitoring.
Agreed. The repair looks solid, though.
The primary navigation gyroscope is still sticky.
Apply the solvent slowly. We can't risk damaging the calibration.
Joe, the starboard side is listing 3 degrees.
The microfractures are extensive.
The hull integrity looks stable for now, but
The frost penetration here is deeper than the schematics indicated.
Yes, Commander. We need to reassess the structural integrity of frame 42.
Reading confirmed, we've got alignment across the seam. All right, let's move it to the next section.
Appel pressure slowly now.
The strain gauge is peaking at the impact point.
Data confirms the yield strength is compromised.
All right, easy on the hoist. Steady, steady. Watch the starboard side.
Maintain pressure at 80 psi.
Copy that. Adjusting the flow rate now.
The readings on this weld are nominal, but I'm getting a slight variance on the lower starboard side.
Let's check the calibration on the scanner.
The alignment scan shows significant warping near the keel.
And the sonic data confirms the thinning. We need to report this immediately.
They recovered this section from almost 8,500 feet. Look at the stress fractures here.
It's incredible they could bring it up at all.
As you can see, the interlocking teeth here are a marvel of Cold War engineering. This is precisely how the crew accessed the deck. The primary challenge is stabilizing the corrosion while maintaining this frost layer intact.
And what about the localized pitting near the weld joint? Have we analyzed the metallurgy there yet? The sealant application on section 4 looks good. The frost damage is completely mitigated.
Agreed. The thermal imaging confirms it. We can sign off on
Pressure holding steady at 2,000.
Roger that. Hatch seal is secure.
Initiating scope extension. Mast clear.
It's magnificent and tragic all at once.
I can't believe they managed to raise her. The cost must have been immense.
The recovery of the Thresher is paramount.
The stress fractures along the midsection indicate extreme pressure changes during the incident.
Note the extensive rust bleed below the hull number. This suggests a failure of the anti-corrosive coating, like
significant rust accumulation near the bow planes. Noted. Condition is acceptable for transport approval.
The data shows the stabilization is complete. We can move the crane.
All right, let's secure the final section.
The ultrasonic readings are consistent.
Confirmed. The structural integrity holds despite the corrosion.
All right, bring it up slowly now. Watch the strain. Pressure's climbing. We have surface fractures at the apex.
looks perfect.
We finally did it.
Ready for exhibition.
I never thought I'd live to see the Thresher again.
It's truly a marvel of engineering, sir.
Pan across USS Thresher, SSN-593, fully assembled and stabilized above Icefield Restoration Hangar.